Hi teachers, it's Kat from catteacher.com. I just wanted to tell you guys basically all about my experience using the new contributors app called TaoTie or TaoTie. Basically, it's a contribution app for native English speakers to kind of post up the things that they do in their daily life, kind of doing lots of small videos. And it's supposed to be sort of an immersive app for with these short videos for second language learners, especially coming out of China. And it's a really cool app, and I really jumped on it. I thought it was a really cool opportunity. I ended up getting paid $787. Now, that was just via PayPal, and that was for 5 days of work. I wanted to show you guys basically what my profile looks like, and then I'm just going to tell you guys what got accepted and what got rejected. If you're looking for lots more information, kind of the basic info of the company, feel free to join my Facebook group below. I'm going to kind of open up a Facebook group just for people that I refer. That way I can tell you guys what's going on with the app and other contributors and things like that. So just kind of wanted to show you, this is my profile here. I'm Cat Teacher, and basically I have submitted 633 posts, which is pretty awesome. Now, I asked my old refer exactly how many got accepted, and that was I think there was like 512 videos that I got accepted that I got paid for. And yeah, I mean, almost $800 for 5 days of work. Really, what took me the longest was just uploading most of these videos. Now, what kind of videos got accepted and what videos got rejected? Well, let's have a quick look. I went to the zoo and basically just uploaded like 15, 20 videos of just me walking around. All of those got accepted. I think what they really like is when you are showing something, talking about it, flipping back to you, and then showing that thing again. I think those pretty much for the most part got accepted almost completely. Things that I did that were accepted: walking around town, explaining kind of if someone has kind of a nice window feature or something like that, walking into a store, talking about what they have in the store. Other things that I did was I went for a walk down by the river, just explain things about the town, interesting buildings. They seem to really like that too. I went to the train station and I went into the city, recorded basically all day. And honestly, I mean, 500 videos, that's pretty awesome. A couple of other things that I recorded was just sitting in my room explaining some of my travel tech and my travel equipment that I like to travel with. I made some pico de gallo, actually. Yeah, so I basically chopped up a bunch of things, showed people a typical British breakfast, because that's where we are right now at my partner's house in the UK. And yeah, I just kind of did a lot of videos that I think would be interesting if someone came to this town, they'd never been here before. I don't know much about this town, but I do know a little bit, and it's kind of like taking your friend around town and explaining what it is that you like and even don't like about where you live and where you are. So I think that's basically pretty much it. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did have a really good experience with them, and I really hope that they pick back up again. So if you are interested in lots of new up-to-date information, please go ahead and join my Facebook group below. I'll be making more videos just for the group, and you can also get, I don't know, subscribe to me or whatever it is that you're supposed to do on YouTube. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time on catteacher.com.